So when was the last time that you killed a fruit fly? Maybe think twice next time, because we spend billions of dollars on fruit fly research every year. I was one of those people. These little guys just have so much genetically in common with humans that they make great basic research models. Now you might be wondering, okay, well, how similar could they possibly be? They're fruit flies, we're people. There are a lot of really stark, visible differences, right? Fruit flies share 75% of the genes that cause diseases in humans. Yes, 75%. One of my professors in undergrad actually used to use fruit flies to study brain development. As for me, when I was an undergraduate student, I used to work in a lab where they would study the interaction between behavior and circadian clocks and genes. And so I actually used to do brain dissections on fruit flies, and this would involve super pointy tools and a powerful dissecting microscope. I think I've got a few too many pictures of fruit flies on my cloud, like it's kind of weird. Every once in a while, you'll get like a rare fly with these bright white eyes. It's really cool to see. That being said, respect your local fruit flies. They have more in common with you than you think. They even have social networks, okay?